Sometimes you might find yourself in the situation of losing your connection between the control and the receiver. I'll show you how to solve this issue in one single step. In this example, the control I'm using doesn't have any issues, but let's pretend that it lost its connectivity. First, be sure that the receiver is turned on. Then, you have to press the two buttons, speed plus and speed minus, together. After pressing the two buttons, you'll see that the lights will blink rapidly for 1 second. That means that the synchronization was successful. I'll repeat the last step with a closer look.